Load your family into the 2014 Honda Pilot. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power liftgate, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.